Hello! In this tutorial we will add a hinge with inset mounting to our library. Therefore, we go to Front, go to our Doors, and then to Hardware Settings. Here we can choose or create our own hardware family. Then we can choose or create a new hinge. This time we just change the description. Then we set our mounting type to inlaid. Now we need to check the measurements. Here we have our inset. If we want a 3 mm inset, we have distance to our cup of 4 mm. This means 3 plus 4 is 7 mm. So we have to set our distance in x to 17.5 plus 7 equals 24.5 mm. Add this borehole and subtract the other. The distance from the middle of the cup to the middle of the screw is 9.5 mm. So as we have 24.5 on this one, we need to have 34 on this one. Change this, add this borehole, subtract the borehole before, and do the same on this one. Now we are ready to save a new hinge. Save it, close this dialog, and then go to Data Export, Calculation Settings, and add a price for this hinge. And hit Save. We are now ready to use this hinge. Just select the family and set an inlay door. This was how to add a hinge with inset mounting to your library. Thank you for watching.